This window AC unit was overheating, so I opened it to see if I could fix it. There are 4 screws on this side of the AC unit, the same thing on the opposite side, and there are 2 screws on the back, and I was able to take it off after that. Then I cut this piece of foam right here to be able to take out the styrofoam, and I did the same thing for the second layer. Next, unscrew this plastic housing that also have the motor with the fan attached to it. I removed 2 screws on each side and 2 screws at the top. On this side is just a track holding it into place. Before I was able to lift up the plastic housing, I have to cut off some zip tie that's holding the wire that go to the motor. Then I was able to lift it up and sit it on top of the styrofoam. I was getting a E8 error code, which means the unit was overheating. I knew it had something to do with the condenser coil. You can see how dirty the condenser coil is. I'm going to clean it and it should take care of the issue. First, I use a scraper and lightly scrape away as much debris as I could without damaging the condenser fan. I am barely using any pressure and I was able to take out a lot of the material. Then I use a vacuum to collect all the debris. After that, I use a toothbrush to clean the fans, go in the same direction to minimize the damage. I like using the toothbrush in combination with the vacuum to suck in the dust at the same time. I usually try to fix a broken item instead of throwing it out. I love the feeling of getting something broken working again. Then I use a blow-off duster to blow out some of the debris that's stuck between the fan. Once that was done, I vacuumed the remaining of the debris and you can see the condenser is looking a lot better. Now I'm going to put back the AC the way it was. There are 2 screws all the way at the bottom on each side of the motor. 2 more screws holding the side of the plastic housing and 2 more screws on the top. I put the cover back on and put all the fasteners back in place. On this side there are 5 of them. And on the back there are only 2. Yours might have more than 2 on the back. On the other side there are 4 more screws holding it at the bottom. After that, I reinstalled the AC unit and turn it on. Around 45 degrees is coming out. It feels a lot cooler than it was before I cleaned the condenser. I let it run for a couple hours and the error code has not popped up. I'm really glad I was able to take care of this window AC and did not have to buy a new one. I hope somehow this video was informative. Hopefully it's useful to somebody out there. And this is the smart plug that I use if I want to turn on the AC remotely. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.